it just takes over your life. It is a 24-hour, 7 days a week, 365 days a year condition that you have to deal with as a carer, and you cannot turn your back.
It's visiting time at this special home for people with dementia. Melvin Webb is here to see his wife, Yvonne. They've been married 57 years.
You live day by day. It destroys your normal pattern of life, and it takes over. Apart from that lady, there's not a lot of things in the world that I love, but I love her to bits. You know, I would do anything for her.
Dementia requires long-term health and social care. Yvonne's paying privately for her support, but most sufferers are dependent on state help. The illness costs the UK's National Health Service an estimated $38 billion a year. That's more than cancer, strokes and heart disease combined. But as austerity measures take hold, not enough help is reaching those most in need. Dementia can strike at any age, but now that lifespans are growing around the world, it's also putting a strain on developing countries that don't have an equally advanced medical system.
That the increasing numbers of people globally are going to be a real problem for all countries across the world. So we need to share best practice, we need to share learning, and we need to disseminate the outcomes from research as quickly as possible so that we can enable people to live well with dementia now, but develop the treatments for the future.
The UK government's promising hundreds of millions of dollars of investment in tackling the illness. As health ministers from the G8 countries meet in London, it's hoped the combined efforts of the world's wealthiest nations will ease the suffering of millions. Neave, Al Jazeera, Bradford.